Yeah, it started. You can record. Generally, this is the thing. We are not answering. The problem is that we come and spend time and no one comes and asks. Is there people ask you questions then, yeah, directly without login? So,
Actually, we get questions in the forum discussion, sir.
okay, fine. If we can get something, we can tell also. So we will wait. If people are there, we'll continue. Otherwise,
Sure.
we will wait for 20 minutes or something, right?
Okay, yes, sir.
Yeah. No one comes in 20 minutes. Ah, come on.
So, how is marriage preparation?
Nothing really started. I printed some cards
Okay.
and
Okay.
to identify people, that's a problem. The hall is booked as in Kalathur Gardens.
Yeah. That you told me.
After that, not much progress. Maybe in October, November, early sending money.
October, yeah. September is almost mid September is over.
It will come soon. Everything will come soon.
Understand that. Oh.
But identifying the people is the most difficult thing. Making the list.
Of course, Nilina's marriage, you have some list. Okay, now you may have to add.
Yeah, that's not enough. That time we didn't do.
True, but at least you have some, even if it is 50%.
One more person join. Anyone?
Any questions? Yeah.
Kattakayan.
Isaac Cherian.
Ah.
Oh, at least students.
Now they may also join to listen to some. Hello, Isaac. Yeah, they are all muted. Maybe they just want to.
Yeah, at least.
Yeah, can come online and ask something. You can ask general questions also. Anyway, we are not solving problems.
So this is advanced PDE. Okay.
Now this is advanced PDE.
Yeah, distributions and Sobolev spaces. So yeah, fine. Yeah.
Yes, you can.
I am now. Yeah. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Who will answer that? Those people should tell that.
We may not write. We will talk.
No, NPTEL office should tell, right? Yes. Go ahead.
Yeah. They are listening, I'm sure.
Very chat. Okay. There are two.
Yeah.
Sir, can I use? Okay. Okay, I will just send. Okay, let him ask.
No.
Oh, what to answer to that?
Can you hear us when we talk?
No,
Yeah.
maybe he's.
Can you hear us when we talk?
Okay, I will send that message.
Yeah. No, their audio is maybe bad. That's it. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Please respond when we talk. Okay. See, of course, this is a very advanced course. So naturally, it may not be a very easy course. But if you go through the assignments provided, that's enough for you to do the examination. So you should work out the assignments. So once you work out the assignments, all your questions will be in and around that only. Right, Datti?
Yeah. That's fine.
We are
That's
not
what.
setting completely new questions. Please go through all the assignments. So that's a difficulty level. Is that clear, Charian? Oh, that's good enough. So you are going through that. So try to ask questions to that clear because we have our TA. So if you have doubts or something, you can ask not now. Of course, now it's not for that. So if you have done all the assignments, now you have still time. Try to complete other assignments also. So go through once again. Okay, you would have done some assignments, but go back and go through the assignments from the beginning once more before you come for the examination. So it's also a review. Any examination, you should do a once or twice review of the previous ones. So go through all not the lectures, is to go through the assignments once again from the beginning. And then once you do now, with your extra knowledge you gained later, will help you to learn the first part easily. Initially, when you are hearing distributions of the places, it's hard. But now you are in the last part. I'm sure you are matured enough to understand it.
But he has scored 70% in assignments, so that's good enough.
That's a very good enough.
So you just keep on doing that.
Now don't miss it. Of extra work at the end will get you the elite group or elite class.
Yeah.
You should be able to do. Is that okay? Isaac?
Okay.
I don't know whether he heard about it.
Yeah. He's
Yeah, he's able. Yeah.
Okay. Fine.
Okay.
That is fine.
Okay, so do little more extra work at the end, last 1 month. Yes.
That is correct. That's correct.
Perfect. But our suggestion is that Go through the assignments one more, even if you have done it. And then try to do the other work a little bit. And if you permit time, go through our. So going through our lectures will be good enough to pass the examination. And no questions from outside, basically.
What about other person? Other person vanished.
Other person, now one more person. What is this TSW or DCW, KTD?
My God. I don't. I
What
don't.
is TSW or DC? Can tell me? Have any questions? This is MA Women Studies. Where is it actually? What is it?
S-
That's some institute or something.
That's okay, but what is the name? What is the name?
That's okay. That is okay, Isaac.
Yeah, that's fine.
We very much appreciate it. I know.
That's
Don't worry if you are not able to. We are speaking anyway. Who is the other person? Women Studies, MA Women Studies. If you are not able to talk, can you give some message to us? Yes, I think Isaac left. Oh, it's for the Dugam College. Where is it? Hello, can you tell the name also? Your name? Can you write your name, or you can also talk if that's possible? You can also come in video. That would be appreciated. Telangana, fine. Can you come online, or can you talk, unmute and talk? If that's possible.
Prashanti Deepika.
Deepak.
Prashanti
Yes,
Deepika. Okay. Maybe that is family name. Okay.
yes.
Prashanti. Okay.
Do you have anything to ask us? General questions or anything? I was about to ask when I saw so many letters. That's a typical Telugu Andhra, right? Yes, Prashanti, you have any questions? Oh, no, sir. Okay. You are doing the course well? You are able to follow our course? Do you listen to all the lectures? Do you solve assignments? Oh, that's great. That's very nice. So try to do the exam very well and get a top mark. It'll be easy. If you do all the assignments, you can answer all the questions. Because it's an objective type, so you don't have to remember. Once you know the questions and answers, you will be able to do the examination. It will be similar. Because it's online thing, we are not really putting up new questions. Some mild, except mild modifications. Question. How do you see the lectures? You are enjoying our lectures? Prashanti?
She can unmute no and talk.
Now you can talk if that's possible. You can come online. So we will see. We would like to see our students, right? Please. Oh. Hi,
Yes,
Prashant. Nice.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are gone.
Gone. Yeah, network problem.
Have you listened
Yes.
to our audios properly? Did you go through our?
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Oh, I see. Now it's hearing. Maybe your audio. You just check it. Your audio. Maybe you can put.
Yeah, sir. Now, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
So did you go
Yes, sir.
through our lectures?
Yes, sir.
Our videos? Did you get time to go through all the videos? How do
Yes,
you
sir.
like, how do you
8 weeks.
like it? You enjoy?
Yes, sir.
Is it tough or you find it hard?
Some are hard, but I felt so happy, sir, because of I joined this NPTEL course. It's a use for my PG, sir.
Oh, you are doing PG.
Yes, sir.
But you,
Now I
you
am
have,
still degree final year, sir.
Okay.
but this is advanced.
You are able to manage.
For PG course, it's advanced course.
And if you are able to follow, that means you are a good student there.
Yes.
Did you attend our old PDE courses, other PDE 1, PDE 2?
No, sir. This is only my first course.
Then you take the PDE 1 and PDE 2 because that's the first course before this course.
Okay, sir.
Because that then you will easily follow if you can follow this. Because this is an advanced PDE.
Are you registered or just attending?
Register, sir.
Registered.
You will be writing exam.
Yes, sir. On 21st, sir, Sunday.
Then did you do all the assignments?
Yes, sir. I completed 8 assignments.
Oh, very good. You will get good mark.
Thank you, sir.
Because it will be somewhat similar. Do you have any questions to us?
No, sir.
Okay. What's your plan after MSc? What is your plan? Hello?
My plan is, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Tell us.
My plan is after graduation, I can get a seat in CETS if you get. So this course is advanced partial differentiation is one of the part of my PG subject maths. So I interested that and join.
Oh, advanced PDE, they teach distribution theory in your college?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. Well, not bad. At MSc level, they
Yeah, that's. Where is your college? What is the place?
Residential Degree College, sir. Kottagudem at Telangana State.
Kottagudem, okay.
Where does it come? It's near Hyderabad or further north?
Hyderabad.
Oh, Hyderabad, okay.
Hyderabad and Warangal.
Oh, it's between Hyderabad and Warangal.
Okay.
Good. If you are able to follow, that's very nice. So you know distributions.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Do you know distributions now?
Distribution.
That's what you have studied this, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you go through the assignments, etc. once again, and then you'll be able to do well in the examination.
Okay.
All the best. You don't want to come to IIC for doing PhD? Bangalore?
Sir?
You don't want to come to Indian Institute of Science Bangalore.
I
Hello.
will try, sir.
So, so you write
I
your,
will try, sir.
did you clear net and gate?
Yes, sir. Now, okay, sir.
Now, so you should write net or gate, both, and get good score.
Okay, sir. Definitely, sir.
You should prepare for that. Don't just go and write. Net, gate, etc. has a very disciplined preparation. Try to do that.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you for advice that.
Thank you, Prasanthi. Very nice to talk to you. Yes, one more person join.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, Vinay.
Vinay Jimmy. Okay.
Now, Vinay Jimmy, you want to talk to us?
Where is that first person?
He has left after his questions. He left. Oh, before that he left.
Before the first one.
Okay. Vinay, can you hear us?
Yes. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Possible?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Can you hear us?
Hello.
Yes, we are hearing.
His voice is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you please explain the trace theory, sir, a little bit as in assignment, sir?
Trace theory we can explain, but can you come online? Can you come your video possible?
Where is he from?
Hello, Vinay.
Maybe.
Yeah, if we want to explain, we want to show that he is listening, right?
Right. No, that internet problem.
That's an internet problem.
So that's. Yeah, still we are far, very far. Right.
Hello, Vinay. Can you hear us? I think he is not getting that.
Yeah, so maybe communication is lost.
Yeah, Vinay.
Vinay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Can you come online?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Can you please explain, sir, a bit about the trace theory?
Yeah, we will explain. Can you come online with your video?
Where are you from?
Yes, I am online, sir.
Yeah,
Huh?
where are you from?
I am from Delhi, NCR.
Huh?
NCR, Faridabad.
Faridabad.
NCR.
Oh, you are from Faridabad.
Okay.
Yes, Vinay, nice to see you. Adjust your camera, then we can see your face. Trace
Yes,
theory, we can explain, but so did you go through before that everything?
yes, sir. A bit of Sobolev alpha order derivatives, all the spaces. The third space was a bit tough, and that tempered charge space 1 plus x to the power n.
Yeah, unable to hear you properly. Can you hear us?
Yeah. Why she's.
Can you hear us properly?
Yes, yes.
There is some bandwidth problem.
Hello.
Yes, yeah, that's why before explaining, we want to make sure that you can.
Your voice is cut.
Your voice is your.
Hello. Can you hear? Hello.
Yeah. Tell us.
Hello. Yes, sir. Charge space I did a bit tough. 1 plus x to the power n thing, and
Or can you
There
write
was-
in a chat box what your question is? So we can explain few things. Because we can't
I
hear.
have done it.
No, you write in chat box.
Write in chat box the question.
Some question. Trace theorem is okay, but write it. What you want.
Yeah, I'm not sure that he is listening to us, right? Oh, he has done till Sobolev embedding. Yes. Okay. Yeah, come then. See, basically, so maybe we'll tell.
No, maybe I will very chat box.
I can write something in chat box, so maybe I will explain something about measure theory. Vinay,
No, I'll just write.
yeah, you write whatever you want. So Vinay, when you have a
Yeah, you talk.
function,
You talk to.
yeah, when you have a function in an integrable function, say something like an L1 function or an L2 function, so you have a function defined in a domain omega. Since the boundary then the boundary of a domain, suppose you take a two-dimensional domain, then the boundary is a one dimension. The one-dimensional area is 0. The area of a curve is 0. In other words, if you have a lower dimensional object in a higher dimensional space, its measure is 0. Because of that, if you have an L1 function or an integrable function, integrable functions are defined only in the sense of almost everywhere. That means two functions are equal almost except on a set of measures. That two functions are called the same. Equivalently, if you take an integrable function, you cannot restrict that function to a lower dimensional curve. If you have a two-dimensional function, you cannot restrict that function to a curve in that domain because the curve is one dimensional. Unless that function is a continuous function. If you have a continuous function, because only if the function is continuous, you can take the limit and define the value. So defining integrable functions to the lower dimensional spaces is in general not possible. Now you are dealing with the boundary value problems. What is the meaning of boundary value problem? You have a PDE in a say two-dimensional or let's take two-dimensional. So you have a PDE in two dimension, but then the PDE you will have a boundary value. And how do you interpret the boundary value? Because boundary is a lower dimensional subspace. That's where the trace theorem tells you. So if you have an L2 function, you cannot restrict to the boundary. But then, since now you have learned the Sobolev spaces, but if the function is in H1, you can restrict to the boundary as an operator, not as a pointwise. So basically, it's an as he wrote, it will be an interpretation of the boundary values. That's a trace theorem tells you. So you need, it's a deeper analysis, it's just little deeper because you have to handle PDE with the boundary value problem. Is that okay, Vinay? So trace theorem tells you a very proper mathematical way of how to interpret it as an operator, not as a point-wise value. So if you have studied distribution theory, the whole distribution theory is that way. How do you get out of from the point wise to the
Point wise.
locally or globally in an open set? So you are trying to understand distributions in an open set or something like that, not point wise.
Good enough.
Okay,
Good enough.
nice enough.
Good enough.
So you go through that part. I think if I remember, I am explaining that all these things are explained there. So now with my explanation, you go through that lecture.
Lectures, yeah.
Once
Lectures.
more you read it. It's
This
a
is-
your problem. It's very, very deep. It
Yeah, it
takes
is.
hours again and again, repeated reading.
It is carefully done in the lectures. You please go through the lectures once again. Really contrachive.
Yeah. It's also similar. See, Asila, the whole idea.
This is compactness.
This
Compactness.
is, you know Heimborel theorem, right? In bounded spaces, like Euclidean space, compactness is equivalent to boundedness and closeness. So if a function is compact, it is always closed and bounded. But in finite dimensional space, closeness and boundedness also implies compactness. But when you go to infinite dimensional space, this is not true. In addition to closeness and boundedness, you need additional condition to show that it is compact. So Asila-Ascoli theorem gives you in the continuous setup, and Rayleigh-Kondrashov theorem gives you such compactness results in the Sobolev space.
Sobolev spaces.
That's all. So it's somewhat similar, but deeper. So what is Asila-Ascoli theorem? You have a continuous family where it is bounded and uniformly bounded in equicontinuity. So you see the concept of equicontinuity is something more, which gives you convergence subsequent. Convergence means in some sense it's a compactness. So it's a conditions under which you can derive compactness or convergence. Is that okay? Got something? Yeah, it's good that these questions, these are all, as I said, very, very subtle. So you have to repeatedly read and do exercises. Not in one time, but you have to again and again you have to read. Okay, Vinay. Oh, good. At least 2-3 people came.
Yeah, this is first time we are seeing that.
And with their genuine doubts.
This is relevant to the course. Relevant to the course.
Yeah, read. I see your interest. You are actually asking correct questions. So you read.
Lebesgue integral at embeddings.
But that's what I said. We already told Lebesgue integral at embeddings.
What do you mean by embeddings?
What is the meaning of that? It's about Lebesgue measures of zero. Embedding means whether you can put something in a different space continuously and compactly kind of thing. It's not about Lebesgue integral at embedding. I don't know what's your question may be different.
Yeah.
What is the set operation? See, Lebesgue integral is one concept. Embeddings are a different concept. So Lebesgue integral at embeddings, we did not understand your doubt.
I got only set operations. What do you mean by that?
It's not about embeddings means you have some space. How do you treat this as a subspace of another space? This is what basically embedding. It's not
L2 norms.
L2 norms till C1. Yeah, we have several doubts, but that's why it's better to talk than we can understand.
Just and can you talk, Vinay? Can you talk?
Next slow, yeah, we understand. We understand. We cannot understand your doubt clearly. So I started with our L2 measure. Embeddings not just set wise. So embedding is not considering A is a subset of B. Okay. We are talking about the spaces. Spaces means there will be some norms and topology. So you will have two different spaces X and Y, which will have topological spaces. And then whether you can associate a mapping from X to Y continuously, then you can basically say that X can be put in Y. This is the one vague way of understanding. Basically, from the convergence of X, you can get the convergence in Y. No. Then you are basically putting X in Y continuously. Because your question is vague, I can give some general philosophy. So for example, H1 space. That's where you can understand. So H1 is continuously or compactly embedded in L2 of omega, omega bounded. That means if Vn converges to V in H1 bounded, then Vn will converge weakly here. It will converge strongly in L2. Okay. So that's how you see the embedding. So embedding is more than subset. So if you have only set operations, that's not the way you look at the embedding. Embedding is precisely trying to understand one space putting in another space in a continuous way. So continuous from here in one node can be transferred to the continuous convergence in another. That's the meaning of continuity, right? If a mapping is continuous, X converges to X, F of X converges to F of X. So you have a continuous embedding and compact embedding. Yes, that is true.
Yes.
So if you do all the assignments, you will be able to score very good mark in examination. It will be exactly like the maybe with minor modification. Okay. So do the assignments well and repeat it, do it once more. Okay, even if you are done, go through the assignments more. That's it. There won't be any serious difference from your exam to assignment to exam.
Fine. Anything else? Anyone else?
So of course, the whole life of science, mathematics is based on Fibini, Hattus, and monotonic. This will be using in several analysis.
How many questions in final exam?
I think if I remember, it is around 40.
There were 2 sections, right?
Eh?
2 sections or something like that?
There are sections, but the total number of questions, I think around 40, 35.
40, around 40.
35 to 40, I forgot.
Yeah, but that they will announce, right?
That they will announce when they go.
That's
Yeah, so the Fibini, Hattus, monotonic are at the heart of analysis. When you start doing research, you will have all the time these techniques. Okay. All these theorems are important. Yeah, it's about, I forgot 35 or 40.
Yeah, something like that. That's why about 40.
About 40. That's correct.
Yeah. That's they can check with NPTEL office.
Good. Please
Okay.
50 minutes.
Anything else?
Yeah, that's done, I think. No more people. I'm happy. Couple of people.
Yeah, at least some relevant questions and
Vinay, are you doing masters or PhD? Vinay? Yes, left, I think.
he left, I think.
Vinay, are you doing masters or PhD? Can you hear? Not
So-
here. What are you studying? What are you studying in your college? You are a PhD student or a master student? Yeah, this is for certificate. Oh, free study. Oh, these are all you have to check with NPTEL. NPTEL is there? Somebody is there from NPTEL? Can you
Yes,
answer?
sir.
So there are some questions for you.
He is asking hall ticket.
When you release,
Sir, they'll receive mail, sir.
they will do it. Yeah. He is a freelance guy, I think. Free study on AI.
Free study on AI.
Yeah, I think these are all will take time.
No, you please go through the lectures once again.
Yeah, you have a specific.
This in detail it is explained in the lectures.
Yeah, explain in the lecture.
You once again listen to the lectures and
You have not answered. Are you a master student or a PhD student? Okay, then what's the meaning and explain. Are you a master student or a PhD student? Okay, masters. Yeah, modification and convolutions are used for. So what is the meaning then? Yeah. Here your birds are okay. I think. Yeah, then we can't explain really. Because that needs more time. Anyway, you listen to our lectures. Okay, please go through convolution.
modifiers.
Modifiers are defined there. Very detailed way it is explained.
Yeah, we have spent quite lots of time in explaining those new concepts.
New concepts, we spend time.
Yeah,
Please read that one.
read that, listen
For
to
a
that.
master student, it is little tough, but you can spend some time. Okay, Vinay?
Okay.
I think then we will, I think no more student.
Yeah, we have to again come back.
Yeah, we'll come back.
Uh,
Is that okay, Divya? And Peter?
Hello, yes, sir.
Shall
then
we
it-
wind
yeah,
up?
I think no more students.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so we'll come back at 4.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. We will call it. I don't think anymore. Okay.
Yeah, we
Vinay, okay, Prashanti, do well. Okay.
okay. So